And an update from California as we take a live look in Los Angeles, where firefighters are making progress slowing down the wildfires. People there describe the scene as apocalyptic. Authorities just now starting to calculate the total cost of what could end up as one of the costliest natural disasters in U.S. history. At least 6 fires continue to burn, and at least 5 people have died in the fires, but officials expect that number to rise. Now, the search is on for more victims. The largest fires still at zero containment. Block after block of homes destroyed in the Pacific Palisades. And fierce winds fueling the inferno eased up just enough for planes to fly, but those winds are forecasted to pick up once again. Nearly 200,000 are under evacuation orders. But amid the devastation, neighbors are stepping up to help each other out.
I mean, I don't even know most of them, and they're just, posting and out of the kindness of their hearts, they're helping, and it means so much to us.
Now, the heavy smoke in the air overwhelming for many, especially for seniors and those with underlying health conditions. So officials warning them to stay indoors.